If you're over 40, you still love lifting, but your shoulders feel tighter and crankier every year, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna walk you through a simple 5 exercise routine you can do every day that hits all 5 major drivers of shoulder pain and stiffness, so you can keep benching, pressing, and training without feeling like your shoulders are made of concrete. You can follow along with me in real time. All you need is a wall, a light band, and a little floor space. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance. We help active adults in their 40s, 50s, and 60s permanently fix shoulder pain by targeting the root cause, not just where it hurts, so you can keep lifting, working, playing sports, and sleeping without surgery, endless PT, or guessing. This is your 5-minute daily shoulder fix. Think of it as brushing your teeth for your shoulders. There are 5 areas we have to address if you want your shoulders to feel and move better over 40. The 2 areas are going to be the neck and also the thoracic spine. If you cannot comfortably extend and rotate in these segments here, the next place that you have to find the motion is going to be the shoulder. Third area to address is going to be the shoulder blade itself. So we have our shoulder blade right here, and we have our shoulder. If our shoulder blade's not upwardly rotating enough, this is what happens. As we rotate, that ball is getting compressed between the shoulder and shoulder blade right there. That's where we're getting that impingement. The impingement can be on different tissues. It could be on bursa. If we look at this side, if we actually get the shoulder blade to upwardly rotate the entire way to that 60 degrees right there, we can lift our arm all the way up. We no longer have that impingement. We can also reach across our body and reach back, and that's going to significantly offload the shoulder and make it feel a lot better. Fourth area that has to be addressed is going to be the shoulder itself. Shoulder is a ball and socket joint, meaning it needs to drop, roll, glide, and rotate a full 180 degrees. A problem in traditional medicine is we're given a bunch of strengthening exercises to a shoulder that can't get in half the positions. And then the 5th crucial area to address is going to be any nerve tension or referral that's coming from higher up that's translating into the shoulder. People with this presentation will do all the stretches in the book, go to bed, and when they wake up, all that tightness returns. It's because the area above the shoulder is not being addressed. This routine hits all 5 every day in about 5 minutes. Here's what we're going to do. 5 exercises, about 1 minute each. Total time around 5 minutes. You can use this any part of the day. I like it in the morning or before your upper body workout. First, we'll offload the first rib and nerves. This is belt rib mobs. Take a belt, dog leash or strap, and loop it over the top of your painful sized shoulder across the upper trap. Taking both hands, pull down on the belt and create firm but comfortable pressure on the top of the shoulder, right where the first rib and nerve bundle live. You will then take your neck and look down and in as if to sniff your armpit on the side you are targeting, and then look up and away at a diagonal. Do this for 10 reps each side, about 60 seconds total. You should feel pressure at the top of the shoulder and a mild stretch along the side of your neck. Stay in the green and yellow zone, no sharp zings down the arm. This starts to unload the first rib and nerve tension so the rest of the routine actually sticks. If you want the Big 5 training guide that walks you through how to move, lift, and sleep pain-free, you can download it in the description. Next, we'll free up your upper back. This is banded wall open book. Kneel next to the wall, holding the band with both hands, arms straight out in front of your chest near the wall. Keep your hip facing forward. Slowly rotate your chest and arms away from the wall, like you're opening a book across the wall. Go as far as comfortable, pause, then come back. Do about 8 to 10 slow reps on one side, roughly 30 seconds, then switch into the other side. Here are some cues. Eyes follow your hands. Motion comes from your upper back and ribs, not from cranking your low back. Freeing up the T-spine gives your shoulders room so they don't have to grind every time you reach or press. Third, we'll get your shoulder blade and joint moving together. This is wall slides. Stand facing a wall with one foot slightly in front for balance. Place the side of your hand on the wall at about shoulder height. Gently press into the wall and slowly slide your arms upward as you let your chest move slightly toward the wall. Only go as high as you can without a sharp pinch or hard block, then slide back down. Think smooth and easy, no jerking or forcing to the top. Feel your shoulder blades moving up and around, not just the arm cranking up. Do this for about 60 seconds, aiming for smooth, controlled reps. This opens up space at the top of the joint and teaches your scap to move the way it's supposed to. Fourth, we'll strengthen the back of the shoulder so the ball doesn't lift jam forward. This is banded extension and external rotation. Place a light band around your wrist behind your back. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed. Gently pull your hands apart a few inches to create tension. While keeping that tension, slide your hands slightly back behind you so your shoulders move into extension. Pause 2 to 3 seconds, then return slowly. Do this for about 60 seconds, aiming for 8 to 10 controlled reps. Make sure you're feeling this in the back of the shoulders, not your neck. Don't shrug, keep your shoulders away from your ears. This helps the ball sit further back in the socket instead of living in that impingement zone. Last one, we'll mobilize the nerves that run from your neck into your arm. These are median nerve glides. Start with your arm bent and fingers touching shoulder in a waiter position. Next, you're going to extend your elbow, wrist, and fingers. Your fingers should be pointing towards the ground at end range. When you feel a mild stretch or nerve tension, stop there. Then bend the elbow and relax the wrist to come out of it. Move in and out of this position for 8 reps each side. This should feel like a light stretching or nerve tension, not sharp burning or zapping. Green and yellow only. If you hit red, back off the range. This keeps the nerve sliding instead of feeling stuck and making all the surrounding muscles clamp down. That's your 5-minute daily shoulder fix for lifters over 40s. Belt rib moves for the neck, first rib, and nerves. Banded wall open books for the upper back and ribs. Wall slides for scap and joint motion. Banded extension external rotation for the back of the shoulder and joint position, and median nerve glides to address the nerves from the neck to the arm. Do each exercise for about 60 seconds. The total time is around 5 minutes. Aim for once a day, ideally in the morning or before your upper body session. If you do this every day for the next couple weeks, take a notice of how your first overhead reach feels, how your pressing and pulling start to feel, and how stiff you are the next morning. Now, here's what this can look like in real life.
Doing all these protocols, like I'm rehabbing and relearning how to use my shoulder. Oh, here's the craziest thing. Okay, upward direction movements, right? I actually feel my muscles working, like my mind to muscle connection improved significantly.
This client had struggled for years in the gym. Now he's back to doing everything pain-free, and he's actually feeling the right muscles work instead of just fighting through pain. Remember, your shoulders don't live alone. Your neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves, the big 5, all work together. If you keep stretching the same tight muscle and waking up stiff again, it's usually because the nerves and first rib never got addressed, and the scap and joint never learned to move and sit better. If you want to see how all 5 pieces fit together with simple tests and exercises for each, grab my free Big 5 Shoulder Fix training using the link in the description. It walks you through the exact framework we use to get people lifting, working, and sleeping without fear. And if you're over 40, your shoulders are limiting your training, and you want a plan that assesses your Big 5, lets you keep lifting, and actually bulletproofs your shoulders, then text me the word PAIN to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.